You want employees to have compassionate, confident conversations with your clients. How to get there is a complete mystery until now. I'm Wendy Myers, founder of Communication Solutions for Veterinarians and best known as the Queen of Scripts. Our innovative online courses have step by step guides, scripts, and productivity tools to help your team transform into confident communicators. Instead of fumbling through tough client conversations, they know the exact words to say and how to say them. Our All Access Pass gives your team more than 100 hours of courses to develop proficiencies for every position in your practice. Get a client service representative started with phone skills and then move on to scheduling. Have a technician learn how to show value when discussing fees. A hospital manager finds efficiency tips to survive when you're short staffed. A veterinarian can discover techniques to present treatment plans so more clients accept care for their pets. You have the freedom to choose any course for any employee. Just select the number of staff members you want to enroll, buy the All Access Pass, and start assigning courses. Create custom pathways of what you want each employee to learn. New courses on today's trends will automatically be added to your All Access Pass as they become available in the future. Now combine the power of online courses with our learner community, where your team can ask questions, exchange resources, and get support from colleagues. Collaboration with other veterinary professionals takes online learning to the next level. When you upskill employees, they communicate your standards of care and create amazing client experiences. You attract and keep top talent and A-level clients. You get your dream practice life. Join us. Get the All Access Pass.